Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting and an important AI tool for research. So it is having very unique options, especially for research paper writing. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will be useful for our research paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on advanced control and energy system modeling. So in this workshop, we are going to discuss about, so these are the important things we are going to discuss. So first one is about optimization of PID controller parameters for DC to DC converters, design of LNC parameters for buck and boost converter, and then open loop simulation of the buck and boost converter, and we are going to make a closed loop simulation with PID controller. So after that, we are going to model the grid connected PV system with the maximum power point tracking algorithm, and then we are going to connect it with EV charging station. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that Textero AI. So it is one of the important AI tool for research. So here you can see that write your papers with Textero AI is now even easier. So here just click on this home. There are different options are available. Generate document, home, that is library, AI research assistant, text summarizer, outline generator, essay topic finder, etc. So these are the different options available. So first I am going to that is create a document. So just click on create a document. So the important thing is that, so it will ask all the important points to be considered while writing or generating a research paper. So for example, welcome to Textero, how you can generate your first draft, get your writing off the ground with your custom resources. So here what you have to give a title, that is you have to give a title. So I am going to give a title. So grid connected PV system with MPPT algorithm. So this is the title I am going to give. So next you can give a description. So PV system with different irradiation condition and response of the grid. So here you can give detailed specification of the topic what you need to give. So you can give a detailed description. So the important thing is that, so you can generate up to 275 words for free. After that you have to go for subscription option. So the important thing in explaining this Textero AI is that, so here there are different options are available to add your sources. So here you can see that add source custom sources. So here you can upload your document. From that document it will analyze the content and it will generate answer for you. So or you can find source. You can just click on that. So you can ask any questions you want. So from that it will generate the sources. So like that also you can use the sources, or else you can add your sources, that is sources in your library. So just to give, so and you can add your sources here. So here you can add the papers, that is reference paper, whatever you want. From the reference paper it will generate answer for you. So it is one of the automation process of research paper writing. Or else you can give another option called let Textero find sources. So it will automatically find the sources. So here if you want to give sources for your research paper writing, so you can give sources using this option, or else you can give just let this AI tool will find sources. So next no sources will need. So these are the different options are available. So here you can see that, so in order to, if you give this option like let Textero AI find sources, so it will automatically ask this essay language, what is the language will be. So and also what is the citation of the particular references that AI tool will consider. So these are the options it will ask. So from that it will generate content. So for 275 words we will explore this option, where how it will generate content for us. So it will take several seconds. Let us see how it will works out. So here comes our content. Our content is generated. So efficiency variations in grid connected PV system under different irradiation conditions. So this is how the title is assumed by this AI tool. So here you can see that while assessing the efficiency of a grid connected PV system, it is crucial to consider how variations in irradiation conditions impact their performance. Research by that is the references, even it is taking recent references, that is 2024 itself it is taking. So next you can see the second references, Marion et al 2005. So like that automatically it cite that particular references it is taken. So and also it will give the references also. So if you want any style, so you can change it to any style using this option. So automatically it will be changed into APA into MLA style. So like that it will change, and it will automate your research paper writing, as only the free option will be around 275 words. It is generated the content for 275 words. So if it works out well for you, it is generating a better content for your research paper. So you can even go for upgrade option to add more number of words in for your research paper. So this is how you can automate your research paper writing using this AI tool. And also you will be having different options here. If you want, you can simplify the content, or if you want you can expand the content. Next, if you want, you shorten or paraphrase the content, suggest ideas. You can ask ideas to this AI tool itself, or you can click generate text. For example, if you want to paraphrase, so you can click on the paraphrase option. So here you can see automatically the text will be paraphrased. That is 47 the last words is paraphrased. So here you can select the content which you want to expand, shorten or paraphrase. You can do that in the same window itself. So this is how you can automate your research paper writing this Textero AI tool. So like that you can make use of this option in this Textero AI tool to make your research paper and automate your research paper writing easily. So go on and explore with your prompts for this free words. So it will generate that is a brief content regarding to your research topic. So here it is assuming that especially this is like a literature review. So if you have more number of words in your subscription option, even if you generate a detailed content also. So apart from this, there is another option called AI Research Assistant. So just to click on this AI Research Assistant. So in this AI Research Assistant, you can ask any questions you want. For example, these are the different recommended options. So you can ask any questions you want. For example, I am going to ask this same questions. How does intermittent fasting improve cardiovascular health? Just I am going to give. So as like a chat bot, it will generate answer for you. So it will analyze that data, that is sources it is having, and it will generate there is different options for you. So here you can see these are the answer, A answer, and also it will show what are the different papers associated with that particular topic. So if you want to make a literature review, or if you want to find the best references for your research paper, so you can use this option. So here you can see intermittent fasting has been shown to have a positive effects on cardiovascular health by reducing risk factors such as inflammation, blood pressure, cholesterol levels and insulin resistance. It can also help to improve heart function and reduce risk of developing conditions like heart disease and stroke. So like that it is generating a better content, and also you can get the that is relevant reference papers, and also it is very recent too. So if you want, so just to click on this PDF, so it will lead to a next window. So it's not downloading, so but you can get the link of the paper, and the important thing is that so you can get the summary and abstract of the paper. So from the summary itself you can make literature review. So you can't able to download now, so link is not enabled yet. So other than that, so you can see the summary and you can see the abstract of the paper. So this is how you can use it as a research assistant. Apart from this, you will be having another options like text summarizer. So just to click on text summarizer. So you can summarize the text. So you can just click on create new. So and you can add the text you want to summarize, or you can upload the paper also you want to summarize. So next outline generator. So just to click on this outline generator. So in this outline generator, so you can give so what you want to write about. So and then give a comments on them. So and then you can give that provide any useful details about the essay to generate the structure. So like that so it will that is generate the outline for your research paper. So apart from this, you will be having an option called essay topic finder, like that also will be available. The important thing is that Textero AI is that, so you can act as a AI research assistant to find the reference papers and make literature review. So and then you can generate your research paper, you generate your document just by giving generate a research draft. So you can generate a research draft using this option. So if you just click on this upgrade. So if you want to have a pro option, so it is $16.99 per month. So if you want to have a unlimited, so then it is $19.99 per month. So you can make use of this option to make your research paper writing simple and easy. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So go on and explore this Textero AI, that is AI, to make your research paper writing simple and easy. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.